Afternoon. Today we're going to talk about taking action to obtain that goal or goals that you have set. You got to set the goals, right? When you choose a goal or objective, you need to set out to attain it with courage and self-confidence. You got to trust in your own ability that you can and will obtain it. You have to exert the necessary effort in its direction. It's up to you to make every physical effort to attain your intended outcome. When physical action is called for, you must do something, right? Take action. You can't just sit around and sit back and urge your desire to be obtained just by thinking about that thing all day long, right? It doesn't work that way. So I kind of want you to look at it this way. If your mind is an engine that drives a car, that is a physical action. The better the condition of the engine, the better driving experience, right? But if the engine is really as little use to your car if you don't get in and drive, right? So put it another way. You do not expect your car to drive itself somewhere, no matter how clearly you hold that mental image of your destination in your mind. You must actually do the driving, right? In that same logic, you have to take physical action to move in your desire's direction to make that goal happen. You have to put out the effort, take action. I hope this helps. Let's set some more goals. Let's take some more action. Let's get them moving in that direction.